Hey, it's John Sock, owner of Sock Mortgage, back with you today, and we are going to talk about renting. Are you tired of it? Do you feel like you'll never be ready to buy a home on your own? Well, you aren't alone. Thousands of people feel the exact same way that you do, but there is good news. It's not as hard as you think to buy a home, especially in today's market. You don't need a fancy job, you don't need to be rich. With a few simple steps, you can prepare yourself to buy your first home. First, to buy a home, you must save money. Most loan programs require some sort of a down payment, but it's not the 20% down payment that everyone fears that you used to have to do. For some loan programs, all you need is 3% of the sales price. So that means if you're buying a home that's $200,000, you'll need $6,000 for the down payment. You'll also need money for closing costs, but there's ways that you can get help with that. You can ask for seller assistance or choose a higher interest rate that actually gives you credit towards your closing costs from the lender. You may find it, helpful to get a gift from one of your family members, but having some money saved is going to be extremely important. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can you save money when you have rent to pay, utilities, other living expenses? It's all about making small changes. So cut back on certain expenses and spending habits and put that money into a savings account. Invest it if you have to, but be consistent and dedicated to your savings, and you'll get there a lot faster than you really think. The next thing you want to focus on is your credit score, okay? So fortunately, credit scores change monthly, and with positive changes, you can make a big reflection on your credit score faster than you think. You want to head to annualcreditreport.com, and this will get you a free credit report. You get one free credit report from each bureau annually. It's important that you get one of these. Look over it, see what you must fix. Ask yourself a few simple questions. Do I have any late payments? If you do, bring those current fast. This will hurt your credit score more than anything else out there. Do I have over 30% of my credit lines used? If so, pay your credit card balances down. Do you have collections or anything against public record? Get with the agencies and set up a payment plan or way to satisfy these debts. The faster you work to improve your credit score, the higher it will be when you're ready to take that plunge and buy your home. Once you've established your baseline, focus next on what you can afford. Use a mortgage calculator to see what you can afford based on your current income and financial situation. Keep in mind, a lot of these things are estimates, but it is a good tool to use. If it's much less than you think you hoped you got approved for or you would like to get approved for, find ways to improve your situation. Do you need to start a side hustle to bring in some more money? Do you spend too much on fast food and going out? Cut back on items so your debt to income ratio is well within the parameters of your loan programs. The key is to start now. Even if you're not going to buy a home today or tomorrow, the money you save now and the harder you work to improve your credit score will give you more options when you're ready to transition from a renter to a buyer. Now, if you have any questions, you want to make sure that you contact somebody that knows what they're doing. So reach out to me. I'm a mortgage broker. I can help you get ready to achieve the American dream of owning a home. Hey, thanks again for watching. This is John Sock with Sock Mortgage. You can connect with me online at sockmortgage.com. Call us directly at 586-371-6104 or email me at jsock@sockmortgage.com. You can also check out any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or check out some more of our great videos here on our YouTube channel at Sock Mortgage.